Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So I've got a small container I'm going to put some paint in and a 14 by 14 inch black canvas that's been pre-primed and is dry. I'm going to start with dazzling. I'm going to start by getting that chip out of there. And that other chip. I'm not starting with dazzling white if I can't get it open. I got it open. Yay. I've got some Miami Magenta. Some Rhapsody Rose. I think I'm going to add some Tickled Pink. Little blue flame. Some Cyan Aqua. Which is not coming out. For whatever reason. I'll have to check that in a minute. Been enjoying this sour apple, which is a purely pigment. I think I want some darker blue. First I'm going to use this Cerulean C. Yep, still want some darker blue. And that could be purple too. I've got deep amethyst. Maybe that'll work. What am I missing? Something. Dancing fuchsia? That could be it. Orange. Orange and yellow. I wanted orange and yellow. I've got my custom, I call it tangerine. And I still want some orange crush. And maybe even some gold. I'm thinking about saffron before I'm done. Basically a full rainbow. And I might have too much paint. I never did use any yellow. So I'm going to use a little Tuscan Sun. Oh, it looks like that works. I didn't use any gold and I'm not sure I need to, but I could just because. And I want to do something that I haven't done except for one time, and that's put a line of black all over everything. Then I'm going to move this down. I have a plastic beach sand shovel, came from the dollar store. Bring my canvas forward. I need to fix that. I want to tip a little bit. Move that orange down. I wonder what would happen if I blew it out. I kind of want some white now because I like how the black looks. So why not try the white? I always wanted to do the black and the white. I've got wonderful colors in my shovel, so I'm going to try and use them. Looks like some kind of lionfish. I want to take my straw again. And I might even be tempted to drop a little paint in there, if it will go, very slowly. Now, trying to remember to scrape off my shovel every time. I'm not sure I'm happy with this yet, but it could turn into something better after I keep working on it. I want some more dancing fuchsia. And some more white. And that might be my solution. I might just dribble some colors right out of squeeze bottles. Maybe starting now. Kind of sort of ran out of paint. I think it'll go in from the angle I've got it now. So I like that, but I'm not done with it. Feeling that saffron coming right up. What do I want here? I've got plenty of Groovy Guava, and I'm thinking that might be the answer also. Got a plug in my tip. No big surprise there. I want something much brighter. I guess it could be the Dancing Fuchsia. I've got a few bubbles to take care of. That helps. I think some white. I definitely need a small dish. I'm going to dot with white or gold. And I just need a stick. Don't know how happy I am with that blob in the middle. But I might be able to add some black to it tomorrow. Some strange shapes in there. Not my typical. I wonder if I ever put any turquoise in. I don't see any. I've still got all the paint in my dish, excuse me, in my shovel. Which might be worth playing with. although it's looking pretty dark. No matter how weird the shapes are, the dots always seem to help me. But that's pretty cool. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My created playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.